Hi, I'm Caroline Trentini and I'm gonna make a face mask for you guys today. So we are taking a little bit of avocado, acai, it's pure unsweetened acai. So we squish some strawberries, go in there, kind of like this. And then last ingredient is honey. You know us Brazilians, we love to have a tan. After the sun, your skin is tired and you want to have like a glow, you know? But you still want to keep your tan. So this is going to help a lot. To put my hair up. Okay, so you ready for the scary part? Let's do this. This is what it looks like. I use my hands for everything. For makeup, to like apply lipstick, everything. I mean, as a mom, I guess, I just like to be hands-on. Avocado pieces, it's fine. So I never really found anything that did the same as this mask. And it's so easy to make, so I'm like, you know, it takes 5 minutes. A little bit in the neck. Okay, how does that look? Cool. And I'm gonna show you what I do with my hair to kind of get the beachy look, you know? I made this myself. It's warm water, sea salt, and like a tiny bit of coconut oil. So you shake, shake, shake. I just apply on the ends. Because of the coconut oil, it's not very good to have too close to your roots. And then that's where you want the beachy waves, like down here. What I usually do, I divide my hair in like 2 pieces. And then you turn it on like the outside. So you kind of have that look that's kind of like gonna go off your face, you know, instead of going in. There you go. You know, when you're doing groceries, you just buy a little extra for your beauty routine. It goes into your pores, so like it really goes in your body as well, you know. If I eat right, I like my skin to eat right too. So you wait like 10 minutes before you wash it off. We samba a lot in Brazil. Now it's off. You just dry it like this. I use a little oil, just because your skin is like ready to drink, I guess. Do this. Not too much, so you're not too oily, you know? Yeah, give myself a little face massage. Treat yourself well. So it takes the oil a little bit away. We'll do a little concealer because we all need a little concealer. So this is the look that I like to do off the beach, because I mean, on the beach you don't want anything heavy. So concealer just under the eyes, and if you have a little friend, like a little pimple or something, I just do this. This is the color that I use. Oh, look, and I just go like this. So yeah, this is a lipstick that I use. It's they call it chubby stick for the cheeks and for the lips, and then that's it. There you go. Okay, are we ready for this? You just, so you let the hair down, and then you're ready to go. Ciao!